In this video we will introduce Rating Bar Part 2. Now let's implement our rating functionality. Here I have my app2activity, which extends my activity, and I'm going to add the components to my activity. First the rating bar, then the text view for the label, and finally our rating submit button. Here I have an add listener on rating bar and add listener on button rating. So inside the activity on create method, we attach a listener on the rating bar to fire when rating value is changed, and another listener on the button to fire when the button is clicked. Now let's implement our add listener on rating bar. Okay, so now I've attached an on rating bar change listener, and now I'm going to implement the functionality. And we're going to set the text to be the value of our rating. We also want to take a look at our add listener on button rating. We obtain our components, which is the rating bar and also the button. When we click on the button, we display what the current rating is through a toast message. Now let's demonstrate our functionality. I already have the Android emulator up and running, and I also have already installed my app on the emulator. If you want to start the emulator and start the app, first select the project where the app resides and right click on it. Then select Run As and then Android Application. Here I already have my rating bar. Notice how I can change the value. I can also submit it in a toast message. Displays how many are selected. I also have a label displaying the value of the current selection, which is updated automatically when I change my rating. This concludes our discussion of Rating Bar Part 2.